Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's At Home with Al. So today's video is going to be a bake with me. I am going to be making a pumpkin, a pumpkin spice cake. I'm going to show you guys the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I am going to be cheating, so this cake is actually going to come from a box. But, and it says made, okay. It's going to, this cake is going to come from a box, but I am going to doctor it up a little bit. So for those of you who say, oh, I can't bake, you can. You absolutely can. You can take a box cake and just tweak a few ingredients to make it taste better. So, or make it taste more homemade as well. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump into the video, but you know the drill. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hey, girl. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the items that I have for you today. Okay, so the star of the show is going to be this spice cake right here. I got this from Shoppers. It was 99 cents. And it said it's made with cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. I don't know if it was made with that before, but it is made with it as of now. I have some brown sugar just to kind of like give it that little sweet caramelly taste. I have some lactose-free milk. I use milk instead of water. I also have 4 eggs. I always add an extra egg. Anytime it calls for eggs, I always add an extra one. So I have 4 eggs here. I have some pumpkin pie filling. I got some allspice, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, and some cloves. And I also have some butter here. So that's what I'm going to be using to make this cake with. I also have a cream cheese frosting. I may use that, or I may make that, or I may use the one that came from the store. Okay, so I know a lot of you guys, or it seems like a lot of you guys don't really care too much for cooking videos because I'm assuming that most of y'all can cook. So that's probably why you don't watch them, or maybe you just don't watch mine. I don't know. But anyway, what was I saying? You don't like the cooking videos, but first of all, I'm bringing it to you anywho. And then this is great for people who like Thanksgiving is coming up in like 2 months. Now it's the time to start practicing whatever it is you're going to make. If it's going to be just like a cake, or if you're going to go all out and make a pie, or whatever it is, this is the test time to make stuff. Just kind of, see how it's going to taste. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. And I'm not going to be talking during the video because I know a lot of people think that, baking is an exact measurement. And to a certain degree it is. But I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking because I'm just going to bake the cake. So technically I guess it's not a cook with me. It's just to watch me cook. I don't know. But I'm going to go ahead and just get everything put in here, taste it, see how it comes out. I do know that I do follow the recipe on the back up here. So whatever it calls for on the back of here, minus the cup of water and the cup of oil, because like I said, I use milk and oil and 1 extra egg. But other than that, you can if you want to follow the recipe the way you can. That's completely up to you, but this is how I do mine. Alright, so let's jump into this cake making